Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can sell on Shopify. So once you have made your Shopify website or Shopify account and you're on your admin dashboard, which is the thing I'm on right now, you'd want to make your products first so you have something to sell, and then we can inject that onto our website. So how do you make products? On the Shopify admin dashboard, you just go here on products and then on collections. You can add new products here by pressing this button, add product. And here, there are some fields you can fill out, like title, the description, the media, and the pricing, the inventory, the shipping, the variants. Make sure to fill all of these out according to the product you're actually going to sell. I'm just going to sell pants here, a trendy pants. I'm gonna give it a price. Gonna give it a cost per item as well. It'll automatically give you the profit and the margin as well. You can also set the inventory, the shipping, etc. Once you're happy with the product, let's just press save. And then let's go to online store. On online store, just press on customize. And then here, you can see our product is ready to be sold. Right now it says sold out because I haven't configured the stocks, but you can basically just buy these now. If I go to another product, for example, that I already have, this ring, for example, I can pick the size, I can pick the color, and I can just buy now or add to cart. So now you're ready to sell on your Shopify website.